Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. It's dedicated to all things WordPress. Specifically, this video is a shorter section out of a longer 1-hour webinar that I did with Jason Merrill, who is actually the Chief Strategy Officer of WebTegrity and has worked with me for years. He's incredible when it comes to process. He's a veteran, so he comes from that military mind of how to implement structure, which is something I struggle with personally. So check out this one section inside of this longer webinar.
Another piece of advice I would give is to not create your process within a project management program like Basecamp, or even as we move into bigger and better things with Reich and some other project management tools. The challenge with creating your process inside of there is you're going to be limited in some way. A lot of those programs are versatile, but they're not meant for you to create your process inside of those programs. You're going to limit it at some point. So I really highly recommend good old paper and pencil. Create your process, your most ideal process where you're not limited by anything within a program or within an application. And from start to finish, detail everything that was supposed to happen in that process. Then, after you've created that process, look at the tools that are out there that help you implement it. So Basecamp may not be where you create your process, but it can be where you implement your process. And you're going to find like, oh man, this part of the process, it's difficult for me to assign the to-do task to get this done. So you may have to find a workaround, but at least you're not limited. It hasn't, the program hasn't harmed your process, and you're finding ways around it. That's always going to happen. There is no perfect program.
Hey, if you liked this video, be sure to check out the entire webinar that is full of incredible tips just like this one. It is completely for free here on the YouTube channel. I'll put the link right here for you and in the description box below so you can check that out. Be sure to subscribe because every week I'm creating content just like this to help you improve your online marketing. And hey, if you're a freelancer, if you're an agency owner or an entrepreneur inside the world of WordPress, please be sure to check out Press Tribe. It's a brand new initiative that we've just launched in early 2019. And it's gaining more and more tribe members inside of our Slack channel as we talk and engage every single week about how to improve your agency, how to improve your structure and your growth, how to improve your margins, all things shop talk. Come be a part of the Press Tribe. See y'all then. Bye, y'all.